Alright, here's the finished product. Loop block safety cover. You can see already it's keeping me from getting leaves in the pool and blowing them off every day. It was pretty simple to put on. Actually, I watched about 4 videos. It was on YouTube and on the company website, links to them. And took me and my son-in-law about unpacking and everything, probably an hour and a half. He had a nice masonry drill and 3/4 bit, and he went around. We marked them all off real quick. It's pretty close to exactly a 12-inch overlap on the size for the pool, foot all the way around. We did good. I love the color. My wife loves the heck out of it, and I appreciate your quality workmanship. I'm hoping it gives me the years the warranty says it'll give me. If not, I won't hesitate to buy a second one, because it's awesome looking. Just like the look. It's got good look to it. It's got good quality look to it. It's about twice as thick as any of the other competitors I looked at, and we're happy. Thank you, Loop Block.